How do you deal with street performers in Dublin City? Imagine walking down a lively street in Dublin and suddenly being surrounded by talented performers showing off their skills. It's a common sight in the city's bustling areas like Grafton Street and Temple Bar. These street performers, often called buskers, add a special charm to Dublin's vibrant atmosphere. They entertain with music, juggling, acrobatics, or even living statues that stand still for long periods. Watching them can be a highlight of your visit, but knowing how to handle the situation makes the experience even better. When you see a street performer, the best thing to do is stop and enjoy the show. Dublin's buskers are known for their high-quality acts, and many have gained fame beyond the city. Take your time to watch and appreciate their talent. If you enjoy what you see, it's polite to give a tip. While watching is free, tipping shows your appreciation and helps performers continue their craft. You can give cash directly or use digital payment options if they are available. Crowded spots are common, especially during busy times or when a popular performer is performing. Find a comfortable space where you won't block pedestrian traffic or disturb others. Respect the performers and fellow viewers by keeping conversations quiet and avoiding disruptive behavior. Do not touch their equipment or props without permission, as that can interfere with their act. In Dublin, street performers often have permits from the city, which helps keep the scene friendly and organized. If you notice any aggressive solicitation or obstruction, it's best to move away or report it to local authorities. Dublin City Council regulates busking to ensure everyone can enjoy the performances safely. While enjoying the live acts, take a moment to notice the street art and murals around the city. Dublin's walls are decorated with colorful murals that add to the artistic vibe of the city. Supporting buskers through tips and respectful behavior makes your experience more meaningful. It also helps keep Dublin's street performance scene lively and enjoyable for everyone. So, when you encounter street performers in Dublin, be friendly, watch with appreciation, and consider tipping if you can. That way, you'll be part of the city's lively cultural scene and leave with great memories.